how to create a new list in Letterboxd. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So to create a new list in Letterboxd, start by opening up the browser and head over to the Letterboxd website. So once you're there, you can find and select the list option, and then here you can tap on start your own list. So first you'll need to enter a title for your list, and then this could be anything like top 10 thrillers or movie to watch this year, and you can even add description to explain what the list is about. Then you can put in tags, and then you can change the privacy settings. You can just set it to yourself, and then you can tap on add films. So just tap on the film's name and then keep on adding to the list, and you can hit save. So it's as simple as that to create a list and then add films on Letterboxd. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.